I am really excited, and I'm not just saying that. This is all about a giveaway, a makeup giveaway, an eyebrow makeup giveaway. What more could you want? Chris Drummond here, CD Beauty NYC, and I have a giveaway. If you want to win the $65 value World's Best Brow Kit, which is 2 brow powders. So it gives you a little bit more variety than if you just had one color. It also gives you a full-size eyebrow wax pomade. So we also have 2 tools in this. It has a spoolie, which is great for brushing through the brow hair, and then there's also a pair of professional grade tweezers. So all you have to do is subscribe and say, I want the world's best brows. That's it. And in 1 week, I'm going to announce who's going to win this, and it's going to be 10 people. So all you have to do, once again, just say, I want the world's best brows, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want, and you'll be notified if you're a winner, and you'll get the world's best brows after that. Okay guys, so good luck. And keep watching, subscribe, and I will see you very soon with tons and tons of tutorials. And let me know if you want to hear about something, if you want me to do a review, if you want me to just kind of sit here and talk. I'll do it. Okay, talk to you later. See ya. This is Chris, CD Beauty NYC.